Today, here are some of the most destructive earthquakes in recorded history. Great Kanto Earthquake, Japan, 1923, killed over 140,000 people. Haiti Earthquake, 2010, killed over 200,000 people. Sichuan Earthquake, China, 2008, killed over 80,000 people. Kashmir Earthquake, Pakistan, 2005, killed over 75,000 people. Chile Earthquake, 1960, killed over 5,700 people. Bhuj Earthquake, India, 2001, killed over 20,000 people. Iran Earthquake, Bam, 2003, killed over 26,000 people. Iran Earthquake, Bushehr, 2013, killed over 600 people. Turkey and Syria Earthquake, 2023, killed over 3,000. It's important to note that earthquakes can cause widespread destruction and loss of life, and their impact can be felt for years to come. Visit my channel for more information. Like, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.